Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, we're going to demonstrate on that generation Dodge Ram here what can cause the rear camera not to work. We're going to go ahead, open the hood, and once you guys open the hood, here now you can see on the driver's side you have your car battery. In front of it you have the main fuse box. Press these two tabs at the same time, leave that cover, it will open. On the inside you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here, guys, what you need to do. Here we need to check one fuse that controls the rear camera, then we'll explain what else can cause the camera not to work. Please make sure you stay until the end, that way we want to share one advice with you so you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Coming in that row of fuses here, guys, okay, we need to check that's 98, 97, 96, 95. Fuse number 95 is for the rear camera. Other things that can cause the rear camera, guys, okay, not to work, could be bad rear camera. Could be as well if the camera is usually it's exposed to elements like water, snow, sun, all that stuff, so it does fail eventually. We've seen that happen. And it could be, guys, the wire, the connection where it goes from the tailgate to the body. Okay, sometimes if you open close the tailgate multiple times, that can cause the wire to break. We've seen that happen as well, but those are some of the most common things that we'll see here at the garage that will cause rear camera not to work on Dodge Ram. So guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for peace of mind. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.